Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. Thank you very much for stopping by. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are staying safe. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a simple home remedy, a simple juice remedy that you will use to get rid of that stubborn belly fat. This amazing drink will help you to melt those stubborn fats without any strict rules, without any exercise. What you have to do is just to follow the step-by-step on how to get this done and also on how to take this amazing remedy. I will be using just the ingredient that you have in your kitchen, no chemicals, no preservative, just what you have in your kitchen, and then you will see this amazing result. If you are just stopping by for the first time, thank you very much for coming. Please consider subscribing and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss any of my content. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. The first ingredient that we're going to be needing for this amazing fat burning drink is cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories but are high in many important vitamins like vitamin K, B vitamin, vitamin C, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. It contains antioxidants. It also promotes hydration. It can aid weight loss and it may lower your blood sugar level and also could promote irregularity. So cucumber is very important. Okay, it's full of water, it hydrates the skin and it will help you to burn those belly fats. Cucumber is very beneficial for weight loss. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is apple. I always advise you take an apple a day in order for you to stay far from your doctor, okay? Apples are very good and it contains a good amount of fiber, water and vitamin C. It also promotes heart health in several ways. It lowers cholesterol level and it also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components that may help you to regulate your system. The fiber in apple will keep you full in order for you not to crave other food, and this will lead to weight loss. Okay. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is ginger. Guys, ginger is a root that God has blessed us with. Okay. Ginger helps in decreasing inflammation. It stimulates digestion and it also suppresses your appetite, thereby promoting weight loss. It reduces cold and flu and is very good for the heart. It also treats several indigestion, so ginger is very good. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is mint leaf. Mint leaf, guys, aid digestion. It can work wonders for almost all your digestive foods. It also boosts metabolism, so mint leaf is very good for weight loss as it could boost your metabolic system. Okay. The next ingredient that we're going to be using is lemon. I'm using 1 lemon for this recipe and I'm taking off the skin of the lemon. Lemon is a good source of vitamin C. It also supports weight loss. It hydrates the skin, hydrates your body, and also help in improving your skin quality. It also aids digestion and help to prevent kidney stones. So lemon is very good, not just for weight loss, but for your general health because of its high amount of vitamin C. If you are watching to this extent and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. I will be blending all ingredients together with a lot of water in order for me to really get more juice from this recipe. So you want to blend very well. want to blend very well in order for you to get all the benefits from all the ingredients. Okay, after blending, I will be sieving out the juice from the fiber. You have to sieve it out, but if you choose to want to take everything, both the fiber and the juice, is optional. Okay, it's optional. This step is optional. You can choose to take it as a smoothie, and you can choose to sieve it the way I'm sieving it now. Please, if you have not yet, give this video a thumb up. Please thumb up for the video if you enjoyed this video, and also share to your loved ones, share to those people that you want this particular drink to help. Okay, this drink will really help you to boost your metabolism, and it will help you to lose weight faster. What you have to do is to take this drink in the morning on an empty stomach, and also before you go to bed. Let it be the last thing you put in your stomach before you go to bed. Do this at least for 7 days. Do this for 7 days, and please mind your diet that you take. Reduce the carbohydrate intake. Okay, reduce your carbohydrate intake. Eat lots of vegetables. Stay out of stress and have a good sleep. Have a longer sleep. Okay, sleep on time in order for you to really get those benefits of sleeping, and you will see the best results. Your tummy will go back inside. Thank you very much for watching. I so much appreciate you for watching till this time. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Okay, you can store this in your fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this awesome video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you are watching to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please consider subscribing, and also put on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget, I love you. Stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah. Bye.